see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
I'm a 10. Yeah, right now. I just want to big up everybody in our building. As usual, you don't know, say, and so I kind of start off that one, you know, on a career, you see me? But a long time I had to take up a camera for vlog, you know, because it's like, yo, work, trust me, work life have me a waste time, yeah? Work life have me on a different levels, like, so majority of the time I get up and I not feel like I want to work, but it's like you just have to do it, you know. So but then I come in after work, come in see everybody asleep. Nisha can like she not feel so good, so come in see me I'll cook some food, do some laundry. Not really the laundry, just as in like the work clothes them. So then I see me I go just dash into the machine real quick and do that. So right now for today me actually I make, you know, say actually long time I don't vlog and I cook, you know. But for today I just come in and I just like a long time I don't eat turkey neck on a big man levels, specific curry turkey neck. So I'm come in and I'm gonna make some curry turkey neck and rice. But many say if me should have the dumpling or what, but then I think I'm gonna do the rice. So I'm showing you a little bit of what I put in. So but I'm going hi joke. Seasoning up already. That's it. Put in I put in it. So now I just make it go and soak in a little bit, make everything soak in. You see me? Yeah. So while I do that there, I just throw them clothes here. As I say, I just work clothes them. You see me? Work clothes and all of them sitting here. Dash him in the machine real quick. See it free. Some detergent in the thing. And away we go. So let that go and wash and thing. And just go and kick it back up as so. When down to think about relationship, you see me? Cause it's like it can like some people not able to get the thing fully, you know, like some people in a relationship and it's like I'm gonna try to say they want love, right? They want love, like they want people to show them love, right? But then at the end of the day it's like them not show back no love, right? So how the relationship there are gonna work? Because me and Nisha in a relationship and it's like Nisha show me love and me show back Nisha love in so many ways, and she show me back in so many ways, and it's like if you ain't blind to certain things, it's like you kind of start to see some little things and like you say, you know, say like them things never really happened to me yet, or you only hear about them things, or just an example, you know, certain things never used to happen to you and it's you know, and you feel like act like, I mean I say, you get to say if somebody rate you, if somebody will go all out for you no matter what, then do as much as they can do to make sure you're happy. What's so hard for you even give back? Say somebody I give 100% and you won't get hurt back then, right? just saying say you won't get hurt back then and you don't want to get hurt again. But you're in a relationship with somebody who will show you 90% or even 100% of love. And you just some screw face like you say, oh, you're not sure no love because you won't get hurt back then and you don't want to get hurt again and this may happen and that may happen. Come on. Them say in a life you have to take risk. And say Mr. Frog say if you know take a risk cross the road, jump cross the road, or you go know if you can reach cross the road. You know? And worse if somebody will show you 100% or even 80% love or appreciation. You know can show back even 160 or 150. You see me? But then you just deal with this somebody like it's somebody and none. So what me I say is me no business if some man want hate me or some man want hate me or say a foolish me they chat as usual as what some people talk say me they chat foolishness. You know what me I say? You see if you're in a relationship and on the other half nah show no love or they not appreciate you know. Let me put on the camera a little bit and see if me can put on the camera a little bit and see if me can monetize thing. Boom. So as what me I say, if you're in a relationship and somebody not show you no appreciation, blood, it's like on stop one thing, on stop put people over on yourself. You see me? If you love somebody and he love you, he gonna show you saying love you. If you can get hurt before, you can't like even me I grew up like me used to say boy, I don't love nobody again because me get hurt, you know, but at the same time you can't use somebody else fat fry somebody else. You see me? Everybody different. You understand? So if you're in a relationship with somebody and you not show you 100%, stop. Push love. You can't force love on somebody because if you force love, yeah, you go get hurt. You see me? So if you push it and if somebody not try level up with you in one way, stop. You see me? Even if you don't want to stop, but if you give 50, cut it down to 20. You see me? And start love yourself. You see, because in an time like you have to love yourself. If you can't love yourself, you can't love nobody else. So put yourself first and then you try to work with somebody. So if somebody not show you nothing, you stop show. Because if you love this somebody and if somebody love you, he's supposed to deal with you better and treat you good then basically. That's what I have to say. So on the top, force upon yourself and people. Because even as friends and sometimes for me I want kind somebody. Yo, they say June people mean and it's like me kind. Yes, me I want kind somebody and with even friend me try force people to be friends with me like yo sometimes people like me I say yo that yeah kinda like your love months or something my you like me try push out as much to make sure I say like deal with somebody good for say alright you're my friend so I deal with you good as a friend. You understand? But then at the same time it come like say you do too much so then start at disadvantage and that's how relationship go. It's when they start do too much for somebody himself and he start get comfortable and say boy the girl don't love me man, me don't watch no face, you know I'm go nowhere because I pay love or boy you can't stop text me I pay love and ray. You see me? Then go take disadvantage on you so no one not do. You see me? Love on yourself before you can love somebody else. Somebody when they ask me what me think about artists they do dub for politicians and all of them Sunday. I don't even know to be honest because it's like me feel like in music and whatsoever they happen it not make no difference in what they go on. You see me? And politics always debate. Me feel like I saw it's supposed to go. Who can do better? Who can show us them do better? Because people can talk so them go do and they still not do. You see me? So to me, how me look on like politicians all of them, If one side they do good for your country, me work with him. If he not do good for your country, you can't get me vote. As some me look funny as a younger generation that come up. Even though me don't know whole heap as me I grow, me still a learn. How me see this whole thing, if you do good for the country, I'll vote for you. I'll give you my vote. If you're doing good for the country, I'll vote. If you're not doing anything, fuck that shit. I ain't giving you my vote. That's how I see it. So with the music and all of what going, I don't know. I don't have nothing to say about that. All I'm saying is, how me feel like people feel look funny. If you are the fucker for your country, me not support you. Simple. Me feel like I saw people feel look on politics. And I say, me a ban PMP or me a ban Labour right for just stick to one side. No. Me no, because my father PMP and my mother Labour right. But at the same time, me no try if you say me a this or me a that. If you do go to your country, me vote for you. You see me? That's what me see. Because you have people literally Labour right, we not do no good for your country. And then still they say, show, might plant. But show, you know? And then you have a PMP them and what PMP say? I don't even remember what they said. But them a do their thing same way. You understand? And I said, who do good for your country? Them a work. So that's my thing there. So right now, I mean, say me I go look about the food with some white rice. So I mean I go do this kind of soak enough for me. So me I go dash him in a pressure cooker pot. Cause I like when me they eat turkey in it. Me not like dash for me bone. But like when me can just eat. You see me, I don't worry about nothing. So I go pressure it. And when me feel like him simmer, then jump on and I think you see pre. I'm a 10. Badam.
Hey guys, so honestly, pardon my appearance. Sometimes I don't even know why I apologize because this is like a normal, but haven't combed my hair literally. Well, it's not like I haven't combed my hair. I've been having some bad migraines and my hair is loose right now. Just because like I just when my hair is down, it annoys me, so I have to put it up because that's the only way I'm not going to be annoyed. I'm currently going through some serious migraines. I have an MRI booked, so hopefully that will help to like figure out everything. I know I'm supposed to do an MRI like every 2 years because I know the last time I did an MRI they found a cyst, a little tiny one, but it wasn't necessary for me to do surgery. I could have done surgery if I wanted to, but I didn't go with it because they said I didn't have to. So I guess after I do this MRI, they will like update me and tell me what I need to do to see if it grew or what's going on. But yeah, you guys didn't really see me in the vlog today because my head has been killing me. I'm low-key just in the dark. Like I'm not even supposed to be on my phone. So when Ziggy's home, he actually takes my phone from me. I'm not supposed to really be on my phone because the light literally just irritates me. Even this on is just irritating me, but Nyla's eating her dinner, so that's why I just kind of have it on right now. So yeah, if you guys are wondering what's up with me, where's Nisha, it's just that my migraine has been killing me. So I've just been chilling, and that's another reason why I also didn't do the Sunday live with the Powell family. Sorry, Ziggy, take her. I had to cancel that to reschedule it because I just know I was forcing it and I didn't want to come on and not be like in a proper vibe. So I just like sitting up just irritates me. Even right now talking, like I'm feeling like a pounding, so I'm just actually gonna stop this right here and give the camera to Ziggy because I'll hear Ziggy.
Yes. Yes.
Tell them you take care of mommy.
Right? And you taking care of mommy? Huh? Yeah? Yeah, right now I feel nice, afraid. Go so boom son done cook and there's a easy with mama same speed and just go burn a little small something and I go eat some food, you know. So you don't know that's in the coming on, so I want food actually come out properly. You see me? Yo, you know say as I grew up as a little youth, like Polly always say, you better come in the kitchen, come watch me they cook. Cause me know want you grow up and make woman give jars of water for drink or this there. So she always just say if you come in the kitchen, go and watch her cook. And some of the time I just go on the road, see me. I like him, I say, you? Me I tell you, no woman no want, what I say? No woman no want a man who can't cook. You know? So, me I always do them, I say, you know, no only boy, we don't worry about them. Yes, only boy. But me I tell her, say, yo, right now, I can't tell a man, say, it feel good for know, say, man, can put on a pot and cook some food, my youth. You see me? Like, it just feel good. You know what I'm saying? When me just know Nisha, and me and Nisha reason on some levels, and mama say, yo, you know, say, oh, me that want the thing is that if you gonna work and me the home, me can cook and make you come in, come eat it. Like, you know, if you come in and then me I say, mama, I say, I want some KFC chicken or you want me grow on the road, go buy a box food. Nah, daddy. Me I just say, mama, make sure you say, me can cook some food and you come in and you just, like, you come in, you're tired. Just go, I say, yo, just go shower and come get something to eat, man. You know? And as I say, you know, say, them way they made the thing to come, like, you don't feel good if you know, say, you have your own man. You come in for work, you get a nice cup of tea, or your food ready. You don't know what badness said, you know? So, now me can say, yo, man out there, yo, I could have a little rice. You see me, I could have a little rice and a little something you just touch up together and know, say, yo, you put on something. But, yo, when you bet, you know if you cook, learn to, young youths, if you're not there too, when you start, yo, you learn to cook. I tell you enough. And a woman alone, if you can cook, man, if you can cook. You know, you don't have to be a big chef, you know, man, or nothing, you know, just, you can prepare something, make somebody eat and belly full and them something. Prepare same thing, you know. Right now, see that plate there big. But you know, see, we just left up this saying I'm asking Nisha, you want food? And Nisha say, no. You watch her go up now. As me go up there with the food, you know, I'm first gonna say, babe, can I have some? Yeah, and I probably go and say, where is he? Yes, I see any enough. Okay, it's probably a while ago it out tight. Yeah, when time I go up with food at night time, you know, or they go eat my dinner. And everybody in a family plate, Nisha, Nyla. Let's see if we can see what I go on. So, see there? The white rice and some thing, some curry turkey neck. You know? So, that I dinner for tonight. You see me? Simple though, just like that. Some people rather like eat rice like you know, like some people rather than gravy over here, so like no gravy man in rice. And some people like when gravy they all over their rice. An idea, you know, your rice, you go and mix up your rice and that gravy, you know, so nothing wrong if you gravy go up on the rice and done, right? Holy, like me always hear people say, no put no gravy on the rice, put the aside. Like what? You still go eat your rice with the gravy. So, I think I saw with the lock off this and night because what I say. Nisha? Nish? Yeah? Oh. Huh? No, I think me and Nyla cry just now. Nothing. Oh wow.